Hey everyone, it's Kira here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the new VHS keyframe effect on Funimate. So what you're going to do is you can import a photo or any layer, go to keyframe, add effect, and then click VHS. So the options we have are tape, intensity, wrinkle, speed, status, and random. So I'm going to be showing you what all of them do. So tape. These three options are noise, bad tracking, and vertical slip. So what they do is they all have different effects. Noise adds the noise effect to the image, making it have those small little grainy effects. Bad tracking makes it the monochrome, so it puts the saturation down, and vertical slip adds some more effects, adding the saturation higher, etc. So what the intensity does is it adds more effects to each tape. When you put the intensity down, it basically removes them all. So it just adds the little effects. So depending on what you want, you can add keyframes, you can make it whatever, so it starts off normal, increases, up to you. So for now we'll just put it to 50 so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so the next part is wrinkle. Wrinkle is this bar up here that moves down. So what you do is when you increase it, it makes it a lot larger and moves like this. Now, if you want, you can remove it, or if you want it really thin, you can do that. Up to you. Just play around with it and see what you like. So we'll just put it to around 10 right now. Speed. Speed speeds up the process of all the effects and the wrinkle. So if you put it to 100, it will go really fast. If you put it down to like 20, it will go a lot slower. Or even if you want it to go super slow, put it something like 6, 5, and that's up to you. So the next part is status. Status changes this play button right here. So if you click stop, it changes it to stop, rewind, fast forward, and pause. Depending on the type of edit you're making, you can change this, but it's up to you. Now random. What random does is it moves around all the effects, even the wrinkle, and just randomizes the speed, the location of it, just to give it a different look, which is pretty cool. So that's how to use the VHS filter. Thanks for watching, and can't wait to see all your edits with this new effect.